Got it? I hope it's clear. Got it? Clear? Can we go for the next one? Done? Okay. So the next one is the third equation, that is from there we can get the value of trajectory. Y is equals to, okay, let me write that, S is equals to ut plus of at square, right? So y is equals to u, what is t? We got x, so that is uy will write, okay, uy into t in plus half into minus g into t square. So what is uy? It is u sin theta, and what is t? X by u cos theta plus 1 by 2 into minus g into x by u cos theta the whole square. So u and u will get cancelled off. So x sin theta by cos theta will be tan theta minus 1 by 2 into g. This is x square by u square cos square theta. So what is y finally? Y is equals to x tan theta minus gx square by 2 u square cos square theta. So I will rearrange this term, listen carefully. Y is equals to x into tan theta minus x square into g by 2 u square cos square theta. Let me take this value, this value as a and this value as b. So what I will do is y is equals to ax minus bx square. Is this equation looking like a parabolic equation? Yes. So we got the trajectory is a parabolic path. Got it? So we have completed these two questions, that is maximum height, trajectory, range, time of flight, everything, right? Yeah, you can take it down and we can go for the next one. Okay, so we can go for the next question. Yeah, if you see here, the value of h and r, we have got u square sin square theta by 2g, u square sin 2 theta by g. So next question is, if theta is angle of projection, r the range, h the maximum height, t the time of flight, then show that tan theta is equals to 4h by r and h is equals to gt square by 8. Okay, I need to show this one. So how we need to proceed with this question is, yes. So when we talk about tan theta, no, it's a left hand side. We know the value of right hand side, that is maximum height and range. I'll keep that one as a reference and we can proceed with that equation, right? Tan theta is equals to, what is there, 4 times of u square sin square theta by 2g, right, 2g, and divide by u square sin 2 theta by g. I'll keep this one as a left hand side and this as right hand side. So close bracket, right now. So brackets and this 2 brackets. Okay. Now what is the thing here? If you see here, u square and u square will get cancelled off, g and g will get cancelled off. So remaining thing, 4 times of sin square can be written as sin theta into sin theta divide by 2 and again divide by sin 2 theta will be 2 times of sin theta cos theta divide, that's it, right, that's it, no, fine. So what is the thing, sin theta and sin theta will get cancelled off, sin theta and sin theta will get cancelled off, and if I take this one to the numerator, it will become 4 times of sin theta by 2 into 2 times of cos theta. So 2 2s are 4 will get cancelled. Sin by cos is tan. We have proved left hand side is equals to right hand side. Yes, it's correct. We have got this one. What about the second one? We know the value of h is equal to gt square by 8. We need to show that, right? So how we can show this one? Is there anything? Yeah, keep this h as it is, that is u square sin square theta by 2g. I'll take the right hand side and I'll prove it. Fine. So u square sin square theta by 2g should be equals to g times of, what is the value of t? T is nothing but it is 2u sin theta by g, right? No, it's whole square divide by 8. Got it? Now what is the thing remaining here? I'll keep this one as it is. Left hand side I'll keep as it is, right hand side I should proceed g into, I can take this 8 commonly outside, okay, g by 8, this one. How I can write this one? Yes, I can write this as expanding, no, 4u square sin square theta, divide by g square. Got it? Yeah, because why no, this one divide by 1 in the sense, I can take this as and reverse it, 2u sin theta the whole square, divide by g the whole square into 1 by 8. I can reverse and I can write it. So I have taken the 8 commonly outside. You got it, right? Fine. Now if you see here, what are the things are there? 1 times and this is 2 times, 1g and 1g will get cancelled, and I have left out with u square sin square theta by 2g. Is this looking same? Left hand side and right hand side now, and we have proved the question, right? Got it? So whenever they are asking to show that left hand side and right hand side are equal, and what I should do is either you should keep one left hand side as it is or right hand side as it is, and we need to proceed with either left hand side or right hand side. Then we will get the answer for this question. Okay, you can take a note of this and we can go for the next question. Got it? Yeah, the next question we'll see. The next question is, yeah, the fifth question. Show that the maximum height reached by the projectile launched at angle 45 degree is 1/4 of the range. We need to show the relation between the maximum height and range. So, what is the range formula and what is the height formula? H is equals to, H is equals to u square sin square theta by 2g. So, angle given as 45 degree, right? So, what is 45? Sin 45, it is 1 by root 2. So, u square sin 45 is 1 by root 2 the whole square divided by 2g. Okay. So, this is, I will get it as u square into 1 by 2 divided by 2g. So, I will get it as u square by 4g maximum height. Right now, what about the range? What about the range? Range is r is equals to u square 2 times of sin theta cos theta divided by g. Right? Sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 45 1 by root 2. So, 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2, I will get it as 2. So, u square into 2 times of 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 divided by g. So, I will get cancel of these terms, right. So, I will left out with u square by g, u square by g. So, this is my range. So, we know the value of range. Can I substitute here this one? H is equals to 1 by 4, I will keep as it is, u square by g as range r. So, the maximum height is, if you see here, maximum height reached by the projectile launched at an angle 45 degree is 1/4 of the range, 1/4 of range. We have solved that. Got it? This is about the fifth question. Got it? So, the next question. Yeah, the next question is, let me take it, it's clear now. So, two balls are projected from same point in the direction 30 degree and 60 degree with respect to the horizontal. So, we know that we have seen in the first question only, when we are talking about with respect to horizontal, we should take it in terms of x axis. So, what is the ratio of their initial velocity if they attain the same height and the same range, right? They are asking 30 degree and 60 degree have taken, what if the ratio of their initial velocity if they attain same height and same range. So, u1 and u2 be the initial velocities of two balls, right now. Initial velocities of two balls. So, given that theta 1 and theta 2 as 30 degree and 60 degree, okay. Got it? So, when they attain the same height in the sense, for the equation h is equals to, so h1 will be equals to h2 they have given. So, u1 square sin theta 1 square, right, sin theta 1 square, yeah, sin square theta, no, so sin square theta 1 will divide by 2g will be equals to u2 square sin square theta 2 divided by 2g. So, 2g will get cancelled. What about the velocities? I need to get that velocities. Sin theta 1 theta 2 we know. So, u1 square theta 1 how much? 30 degree. So, 1 by 2 the whole square will be equals to u2 square, it is root 3 by 2 the whole square. So, what I will get here, u1 square into 1 by 4 will be equals to u2 square 3 by 4, 4 will get cancelled, u1 divided by u2 will be equals to 3 by 1 under root will be nothing but root 3 is to 1. So root 3 is to 1 is the answer for this first question, that is for the height. When they are in a range, what is the thing? I need to get it. So range, no issues, like whenever I am talking about the 30 degree and 60 degree, right? So sin 30, sin 60, or sin 60, sin 30, cos 60, cos 30, sin 60, like it's a reverse angle, I will get the same answer. Okay, you can have an advantage in the range, but whereas height I need to calculate that. Okay. So if you see for the range, yeah. So range of the first ball, range of the second ball are equal. So u1 square into sine of 2 times of 30 and 2 times of 60 is nothing but it is 2 sin theta cos theta. I will calculate here for the first one. 2 into sin 30 is 1 by 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. I will keep as it is. Okay. And this side if you see, it should be equals to 2 times of sin 60 cos 30. Right now? So if you see here, 2 times of root 3 by 2 into 1 by 2, I am getting the same thing. I will get cancel of this two things. So u1, u2 will be equals to 1:1. Okay. This is the thing. So the final question is, so final question of this is define unit vector, null vector and the position vector. So three things are there, right? Unit vector, null vector and position vector. So if you talk about unit vector, it's a magnitude of unit 1, okay? So the magnitude of a vector of unit 1 is called as a unit vector, and null vector will be a magnitude is 0. Magnitude is 0. Got it? So the next one is a position vector. So the position vector of a point P is the vector form of, from the origin we will take, from the origin to the point P, which is nothing but OP is equals to, that is R vector, xi cap, yj cap and zk cap. Got it? This is about the unit vector, null vector and the position vector, right? So the next question is, yeah, we have not seen about the first question on this question, right? So if a plus b is equals to a minus b, prove that the angle between them is 90 degree. Got it? We need to show that, like a plus b, a minus b they have given, I need to solve it, right? So first of all, r is equals to a plus b, a plus b vector, resultant will be r is equals to root over a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta, 2ab cos theta, and r is equals to root over for a minus b, right? Now a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta, right? Now so I'll equate this, root over a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta will be equals to root over a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta. So I can remove this root. So what will be remaining? A square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta will be equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta. So a square b square will get cancelled off. I can take this to this side, 2ab cos theta plus 2ab cos theta will be equals to 0. 2ab I can take commonly outside, right now. So 2ab I can take commonly outside, which is nothing but cos theta plus cos theta will be equals to 0. This one I can multiply, I mean I can divide, I will get 0. So what will be the remaining thing? 2 cos theta will be equals to 0 and cos theta will be equals to 0. So theta will be, it is 90 degree, right? Cos 0, 90. Cos 0 is 1, but 0 value, that is 90 degree, we will get. Cos 90 is 0, cos 0 is 1. Okay, got it? This is about the question. Completed? Okay, so with this we'll wind up the session of today's class. I guess hope it's clear for this motion in a plane. It's the easiest chapter. Okay, once we have know the variables, you can solve it easily. Okay, so thank you guys, we'll meet in the next class. Bye bye.